what's up you guys? It is me Serena and I'm back at it again, but now I don't have a blonde hair. I have orange hair now, and Lynzy is here eating some chicken, and we have Miss Snow, little Miss Snowy begging for food.
Papa Jack.
What?
Miss Papa Jack.
Miss Bobby Jack. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys her first. This is not a vlog. It's gonna be a baking show, but we will show you Snowy, my baby. Hi, little girl. She's begging for food, even though she just ate. You just ate. She's so soft. She's still so white. Like, oh my goodness. Like, oh my goodness, why? And look at them. So now we have more bunnies, and it's gonna be another video. And yes, I still have my braces on because, you know, and yeah. Snow! And Tyler is over there. There's new babies. And lots of babies. We have like, I think, 13 bunnies in total. Or that's only the babies, I don't know. But yeah, in today's video, it's not about the bunnies. I'm gonna wash my hands first because we don't want anything on our hands. But yeah, I'm just gonna wash my hands first because I got Snowy. Snowy, sorry. Ooh. Anyways, I just washed my hand and I'm wiping on my shirt. On my used to be PE shirt because you know why? Yeah. You know why? Used to be? Because I graduate high school, my friends. I graduated. Let me just preheat the oven because in today's video we're gonna bake this lemon poppy seed muffin. And Lynzy is watching Arrow on Netflix, not sponsored by Netflix. But yeah, she's watching, and I'm gonna preheat the oven. I think 350 is fine, even though they said 400, but I don't know what's gonna happen, but okay. But we're gonna use this, the low fan, because I don't want to use the muffin thing because I don't know, it's not a lot, it's just one bag, and I had this mix for like 2 months ago, or like I don't know. But yeah, so I'm just gonna get some egg in the fridge. The fridge is over here. I don't know if you guys want to see it. I'm gonna get some egg. It just says I need 1 egg. So we're just gonna get 1 egg. What's this? Oh, it's a food. 1 egg. So I'm gonna bake here, like do it here, because it has more space. And what else is that Miss No? You know what? I'm just gonna give her something. Should I feed her this one outside? The one on the outside? Yeah. I'm gonna give her some food because she's begging. She knows. So I'm gonna give her some anyways. So yeah. This one is Dart Hay. It's a Dart Hay. So yeah. Let me just give it home. Next is normal. I wish you guys can see what she's doing right now. Look at her. I don't know if you guys can see her because I can't flip the camera because I need to flip it back again and then flip it back again. So we're just gonna do it like this. Miss is no. Hey. Yeah, and the other babies are now begging because snow. But yeah, so my hands are still clean because I didn't touch her. just touched the thing. So anyways, we're using this measuring cup. We just need, it says 1 cup of water. Let me just get some. Let me see. I think it's fine. So yeah, we got water. Water. And we got this bowl that's glass. And we're gonna open this. Stir together water. No. And we also need butter because I don't have. What's this? Ooh, is this the?
Oliver, oh my.
Ooh, it's. I think it's the poppy seeds. Ooh, it is. Look.
Wow, you can read.
She a reader? Bretman. I love Bretman. Anyways,
He rocks.
I need some sauce up in here.
That's really.
So, yeah. We need this. So, this is my baking station right now because over here, I can put my thing there. Like the food pantry thing we have. It smells so good. Smell it.
It's powder, dude.
It smells good. It smells like lemon. Well,
I
it's...
don't like lemon.
You don't like lemon? But you will eat this, right?
No.
You will taste it and you won't have anything to say. Anyways, and so we already put it in here. I think we need a bigger one, but it's fine. So we will put the water and the egg on it. And I have this silicone or jelly, I don't know what it's called, but yeah, spatula that we will mix on the thing from to here because it's jelly and it's much easier to scrape the thing. I don't know where to put you guys. Over there.
My head is filled with bruises. Most of them I built with you. Now the dust.
No, I don't know how to bake that much because I only bake cornbread because yeah. So I'm just mixing this, the poppy seeds, on the batter. So yeah. So my phone fell. My phone fell. And so, but it's still recording, so we're good. What is? Oh sh.
My head is filled with bruises. Most of them I built with you. Now the dust no longer moves. Don't disturb the ghost of you. They are empty, they are warm. Tell me what we built this for. On my way to something more.
Oven, and I'm gonna get to you guys. What? I'm gonna go back to you guys later when it's all done, so I can edit this, edit this part, and maybe put it up tonight or later. So I'm gonna see you guys when the lemon poppy seeds muffin is done. So see you guys later. Everything is falling. I'm gonna take it out of the oven, as I was saying. And it smells so good. There it is. Ooh. It's so good. So we're gonna slice it with this because we don't want the, what do you call that, the pan to have like scratches, because my mom doesn't want that because this is new. So yeah, so we're gonna do this. Let's see if it's already get inside.
Drop my grenades, sir.
So here guys go. So I sliced some a bit. It's already good. I think it got burned under, but I don't know. Not really because I took the sides. I mean, it's kinda. This is the top. Oh, I think it's the top like this. Okay, I'm gonna say it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. So yeah, that's what I baked, and I think I'm gonna put it inside the oven so it will still kind of like not hot. I think I'll put it here first and put this thing on the top so it will not fly away, and put this back and turn this off, and also put this back because and put this back and close this thing, and I need some more bread, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video that I'm gonna make. So yeah, subscribe, leave a like. All my social medias are down below. And so yeah, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Bye.
I wish somebody would have told me, babe, someday these will be the good old days. All the love you won't forget, and all these reckless nights you won't regret. Someday soon your whole life's gonna change. You'll miss the magic of these good old days.
I was thinking about the band, I was thinking about the fans. We were underground, loading merch in that 12-passenger van, in a small club in Minnesota, and the snow outside of First Ave. I just wanted my name and a star. Now look at where we at, still growing up, still growing up. I would lay in my bed and dream about